Namaste everyone, filled with gratitude for another beautiful day in our lives. Today let's take the importance of color in our lives. We need the entire spectrum from violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, everything to come in our lives. Because even if it's winter, even if it's tough times, the moment we have color inside, we can see Adi Vishal's beautiful art here. All this is creating a very serene atmosphere in our lives. So don't underestimate the power of color therapy, because it can bring a lot of harmony mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and even physical illnesses we diagnose through people's relation with color. So it's super important to do this. And the other thing is, when you're doing a yoga, be gentle with yourself. Every time it's not about reaching the perfect pose, but be slow, be gentle with your breathing, and how far you can reach is not important. Don't push your body, be very gentle and do it as softly as you can. If you're doing, for example, the downward dog, start doing a little and be gentle with yourself. You don't have to try to injure yourself trying to do something which someone else is doing. Remember, this is the most important thing in yoga. And then the meditation, like I said, same time, same place. In India here, 7:30 p.m. is the time we all are going to set a date from today. So when we meditate, our brain waves slow down, we go into alpha wave. It's magic which happens. We really connect, we are all part of a whole. And if we can all sit at that exact same time of 7:30 in the evening and just sit quietly, don't worry about thoughts, don't worry about anything. Try to bring your attention between your eyebrows and go inside that infinite space within. Connect to what is beyond the small physical body. Let's become part of the infinite cosmic consciousness, the collective, and let's infuse it with love and sweetness and kindness, because that's what the world needs. Let's change the entire narrative. Let's stop saying we did this, we did that, we polluted. Instead, let's talk positive. That we are a great race, we are humanity which is incredible, and we can change it. We started together in our daily lives by cleaning ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally, and meditating and trying to help each other out. So let's stay together in this time in many beautiful ways. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.